In this tutorial, we will show you how to add and generate serial number in Excel. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Adding serial number is straightforward. Here's how you can do so. Click on the cell where you want to start the serial numbers. Press the equal key, then type row bracket. Enter the cell reference of the current cell. For example, if you are in the cell A2, type A2. Close the bracket and subtract the row number above. For instance, if you are in cell A2, subtract 1. So your formula will look like this. If you were in cell A6, you would subtract 5. This way your serial number will start from 1. Hover over the bottom right corner of the cell until you see a cross icon. Click, hold and drag the fill handle down to populate the serial number in the cell below. By following these steps, you will easily generate serial numbers in Excel. Thanks for watching.